Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. In today's video, I'm showing you how you can easily make some creamy and chocolatey Milo popsicles. So if you love Milo, stick around for this, and even if you don't, you need to try this. So come along and let's get right into the video. So for this recipe, we will need some Milo, and if you're not used to Milo, this is how Milo looks like. It's a chocolate drink, super delicious. We need some sweetened condensed milk. We will also need some skimmed milk and also a full-fat heavy cream. But as always, you can check the description box down below for all the ingredients with the correct measurements. To make the popsicle, just pour your skimmed milk into a saucepan and go ahead and add your Milo. On a medium-low heat, we are going to warm the milk and dissolve our Milo in our milk. You don't want it to boil, you just want to warm this up enough to dissolve your Milo. We want a smooth and silky mixture. So with my whisk, I'm going to stir continuously for like about a minute, and your Milo should have been dissolved. It doesn't take long at all. Just take a spoon and scoop some of the mixture just to be sure that everything is dissolved and that there are no lumps in your mixture, just like this. Now go ahead and pour the mixture into a bowl. Now add your sweetened condensed milk and give this a very good stir until the condensed milk is well dissolved, and because your mixture is warm, it will dissolve it right away. Now go ahead and pour in your heavy cream, and the heavy cream will make the mixture very rich and creamy, and so you cut down the creaminess or the richness by adding the skimmed milk. Now stir this to combine everything together and your mixture is ready. You want your mixture to be this creamy and silky. So I'm now going to transfer this mixture into my popsicle molds, but to make it easier on myself, I'm going to first transfer the mixture into a jug. So this way it becomes very easy for me to pour them into my molds. So you can use any popsicle mold you have for this recipe, but this is the one that I'm going to be using. This is a silicone popsicle mold. So now I'm going to dab it clean with some paper towel and then cover with the lid. So depending on the type of mold you are using, you may need to put in your sticks. Mine requires that, so I'm going to do that and pop this into my freezer for about 6 to 8 hours or until it is frozen. So 6 hours later, and here we are. This was actually done overnight, and so it is time to unmold the popsicle. Now this silicone popsicle mold gave me one tough job because I realized that it became so difficult to take them out of the mold. So I could have chosen to just cut out this part from the video, but I want to show you this so that you get to see that I am a home cook. Things are not always perfect in the kitchen, so it doesn't matter if you don't get it perfect as well. So due to the fight I had with my silicone mold, and I tell you it was more than a kung fu fight, it didn't come out as perfect as I wanted to, but I had some of the mixture left over and I poured this into my other popsicle mold, and that came out very perfect. So all I did was to dip this into some warm water for like 5 seconds and it just came out like butter. And there you have it, our Milo popsicle is ready to be enjoyed. And oh boy, the children were so happy because it was really that good. So I really hope that you are able to try these simple and easy creamy Milo popsicles for your children at home, because I know they are really going to enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!